Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to remove payout account on Facebook page. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to remove a payout account from your Facebook page. Start by visiting adsmanager.facebook.com and click the gear icon to open settings, then navigate to payment settings. Here, you see your current payment methods listed. To remove a payment method, click the three dots next to it and select remove. Take a moment to double check that the correct payment method is removed to avoid any descriptions in your payout. If you want to add a new payment method, click Add Payment Method, choose your country or region, select the currency, and click Next. Then pick your preferred option, either PayPal or a credit card, and follow the prompts to log in and complete the setup. This simple process helps you manage and update your Facebook page payout smoothly and securely. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.